Oh my Gcash. Ayan. Also guys, yung check natin kanina, ang amount na nag-comment doon is 6 unique comments. So, isa-start na natin yung comment picker. Start. Now, maglista na kayo guys. Alright! Congratulations to Starami Benemili 3357. Ayan, number 1 first winner guys sa atin. For of the year, makakatanggap siya na 25 Gcash for now guys. 25 Gcash. So, kaya din ng guys, no? 25 Gcash guys yung muna pamimigay natin guys. Kasi matagal naman tong ano na to, ng game na to. So, congratulations Starami.